Hey there everyone, Jason DePaola here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning, and thank you for looking at my video here today. Now what I want to talk about is mobile personal training. Now I have been doing mobile personal training for the last nearly 8 years, 2012, something like that, 8 or 9 years. So I've been doing that now. I've been working out of my truck that I bought, a Toyota Hilux, and I thought at the time there was no one around where I live doing mobile personal training, and I wanted to do something different than the norm. So I've seen people doing mobile personal training out the back of the car, and they've just got a kettlebell, step up, a step, skipping ropes and basic stuff, and I thought I can do a lot better, so I tried to do something different. Now it did work the first couple of years. Unfortunately the council banned me from a few parks because I wasn't allowed to train there because I had permits and all that stuff I won't go into now, but I can train people at home if they want, or in a space where I'm allowed to train. There are places that I can train. Now I'm going to put like a little montage of videos that I have trained people outside while I'm talking here, but I want to talk to you about, especially in this pandemic, we're coming up to 2021, hopefully the weather's going to get better, and maybe you don't want to go into the gym, because I can understand. I have lost a few clients because they just don't want to go back into the gym. They think it's a bit unsafe and they might catch something. Hopefully by the time I'm recording this in December 2020, hopefully this will get better by the summer 2021 and this pandemic is all gone. But what I want to talk about is mobile personal training for you. If you want to do it now, it gives me another avenue to train people rather than the gym or online training or remote training. Now, it's really good because I can travel to you. It's really convenient for you. It's whenever you can do it. Now, I do this in the Exeter, Devon sort of area. I can't really go too much. The further I travel, obviously, I might have to put more on my price because the further I go, I might have to sort of put the price because of petrol and diesel. But it's convenient to you. If you've got a nice space, if you're watching the videos that I'm training other people, you don't need a lot of space. I can do it within like 2 car parking spaces. I can probably do it within 1, but within 2 car parking spaces, and I can bring all the equipment to you. It's like I'm using a lot of landmine equipment, which is really good for strength and conditioning. Also is good for cardio stuff because I'm using sleds and pulleys and ropes and stuff like that. And if you see the videos, you can see it all there. I have in the last couple of years studied and looked at the best equipment that I can take in my truck to help you. Now you can see there's lots of landmine variations, and I think a good mix of doing free weight resistant exercises and machines is the landmine stuff. I can do a hell of a lot with these pieces of equipment, and I can set up in various different ways, so it's really good. Now another thing mobile personal training is good for, that you don't have to travel anywhere. So I get this all the time that I want to train with you, Jason, but I live at the other side of town and I don't really want to go over to the gym because it's going through traffic and stuff. I don't get it so much. I know people that live in Australia and America, and they literally have to drive maybe an hour and a half to get to anywhere. Some people here in the UK don't even like driving 15 minutes across town just to come to the gym. Don't know why, they just don't want to do it. Maybe we're just so mollycoddled over here in this country, but I can travel to you, so you don't have to do the travel. As long as you've got space, I can come to you, and it's convenient to any time. So, and also another thing is privacy. Now, I've had in the past people that go to the gym and they just don't like it in the gym because there's a load of meatheads or lots of people chucking weights around, doing all this like CrossFit stuff, and they're chucking weights around and doing stuff and training with their shirts off. And I know some people love that, and it's great if they want to do it. But I do know people that just feel a bit intimidated with that situation, and they want to train and they want to get strong, they want to get fitter, but they don't want to go to the gym. And sometimes the gym I've got to, there's no real private space. Some gyms do have private spaces where you can just go to one-on-one and there's no one looking. Unfortunately, my gym doesn't have that at the moment, but doing like strength training and fitness training at home, in your own home. You've got your own privacy. You know, I don't take many pictures. I'll try not to take pictures or videos of people in their home. I don't mind if they give me permission outside the home in the car park or something like that. But I do not take videos of people in their home training, because I think that's privacy, and I don't want to do that. So that's why I haven't got many pictures or videos of me training people inside the homes, because it's their privacy. They don't want all their stuff being on videos and stuff. I understand that. I don't do it, but I have done a lot of mobile training in the past. I've gone to people's homes, no matter where it is. You know, I'm in my own little studio here. It's not big. I can do almost anything within this space. You know, you don't need a lot of space. If the garden is big enough, we can do stuff out in the garden, and I can bring all the equipment that you need with me to do a good strength and conditioning routine exercises and workout. Now, there is lots more about this, but I'm saying this now because I want to get this out before spring and summer, because I want to give this another big push. I did it a few years ago, and it literally, what happened, lots of other people were doing it. I'm not sure if they were copying me. I do know other personal trainers and people that were coaching other people to become personal trainers were using sort of my little truck as a guideline of what you can do, and I have seen other people with their own trucks and vans going around doing almost exactly what I do. Brilliant. I don't mind. You know, if I am the trailblazer and I'll do it, I don't mind people copying me and doing stuff like that. It's all good. It's all the benefit of the general public. You, all I want to do is, it's not about me, it's all about you. I want to make sure you get fit, especially we're coming out of a pandemic. Studies have suggested that you're less likely to get the virus if you're more fitter and stronger. Unfortunately, I do know people that have caught the COVID who are fit and strong, and they've had it quite bad, so it does affect everyone, but statistically saying that it's going to affect more people than that are overweight and got sort of like problems in that area. So 2021, I hope everyone in the world is going to hopefully go for getting stronger, getting fitter, losing that weight, eating healthily, and hopefully we'll never get another pandemic like this again. But I'm not sure if this is ever going to go away. Personally, we're going to keep going back like influenza. We're going to may have shots every year or so, because there's going to be COVID-20, COVID-21. I'm not being a prophet of doom and gloom, but that's just my opinion, what might happen if we don't get this killed off right now, and then we can get on with our lives. So I've gone off to a tangent there, like I normally do, but like I say, mobile personal training might be the best idea for you if you don't want to go to the gym, but if you want to get fit and you want to do something different than the same old going out for a run, which is brilliant, but you're not going to lose many calories and you're not going to get really fitter. Good for your heart if you're going out for a jog and a run, but getting your strength and getting your bones and getting your joints all stronger, fitter, and mobility and flexibility. Strength training is the way. What I have got in my truck, and I've developed this over the last 8 years, I've got lots of equipment that will help you to get stronger, basically. So there you go. I hope you like this video. I'm going to stop there. If you do like this video, please like and share. Please, if you can, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is also going out on my Instagram, IGTV as well. But on YouTube, please subscribe to me on my YouTube channel. Be much appreciated. Also, I'm going to put a link somewhere over here for my Instagram account. If you can follow me on Instagram, I'll put on for more information on Instagram that I don't put on other social media sites and YouTube. If you can do that, much appreciated. And yeah, there we go. I hope you like this video, and I shall see you on another video coming real soon.